grab yourself a laundry basket and this cardboard tube. Turn that laundry basket upside down, put hot glue all the way around right along that line. Take the bottom of your laundry basket, put it right into the top of the tube. Make sure you get it even. Now grab your Sharpie. I use a jumbo Sharpie. Draw some upside down V's all the way around. I guess some people would call those triangles. Take your kitchen saw, cut those V's out one at a time. Last one coming off. I cannot wait for you to see what this becomes. Grab your Sharpie. We're gonna draw two designs right along here, and then I'm gonna cut this out. Take one of these, I call them saber tooth saws. Start a hole right there and then just cut that out. Time for the power saw. If you don't have one, you can do it by hand. Don't worry, I'm gonna get to the twinkle lights, but first, grab some gaff tape. We're just going to give this a little bit of reinforcement. Take that 1-inch gap filler and quickly just draw a line all the way down. No particular design, just go nice and slow. They don't even have to be straight lines, so this is gonna be easy for me. Don't forget to bring the spray foam all the way up onto the laundry basket. Go nice and slow around those cutouts. I cannot wait for you to see how this turns out. Okay, don't forget to do this. Start with your gap filler once it starts to dry, and then bring it out onto your surface, and then back up like that. Take these top pieces and just bend them out. Make sure that this has started to dry. Just bend out every other one, just a little bit. Let's get to painting. I'm using flat black. I'm also gonna use a primer. Don't forget to get the bottoms. I'm using this copper. Just take the copper, just go up and down, just in a few places, but do not cover the entire thing. Take a pool noodle, any color, grab your kitchen saw, cut right through the pool noodle, right through the middle. Bend this out like so, then come down here, cut through a little bit more. You'll understand why in just a second. Once you get it looking like this, fold it in half, and then cut this right in half too. Now take this pool noodle and spray paint this with your flat black. Make sure you cover it all and get in between those little edges. And do the same to your second one. Once the black dries, take the Rolls Gold and just hit it just a little bit right on the edges. Take your drill. We're just gonna drill a hole right into this cardboard cylinder. Take a small dowel rod, just break it right in half. Take the end of it, put it right down into that hole, all the way down. Then take your pool noodle, put it right on top. Take some green moss and some hot glue. We're just going to add a little bit of moss to the top, the bottom, and you guessed it, I've got a blackbird. We're just going to hot glue the blackbird right here. Get it into place. I've got my remote controlled LED light. Just put a good amount of hot glue right along the edges of the light. Now take your light. We're gonna go in through here, and then we're just going to place it right up inside. Look how awesome this haunted tree turned out. It looks like it's straight out of the Wizard of Oz. I added on the moss to these tree roots. I highlighted the mouth and the eyes with the rose gold paint. I love the blackbirds. This was so easy to make. Let's turn on these remote control lights. 3, 2, look at that. Be sure to check the comments. I'll post a photo of this all lit up tonight after the sun goes down. And as always, if I can do this, you can do this. Amazing.